Welcome to Electric Scooter World. If you're a proud owner of the Gotrax GXL V2, you might be wondering, how can I get a little more speed out of this baby? Unlike some scooters, the Gotrax GXL V2 doesn't have a simple chip or button to disable its speed limiter. But don't worry, there are still some proven ways to get that extra boost. In this video, we're diving into the top 2 tried and tested methods that enthusiasts use to push their Gotrax GXL V2 beyond its limits. Stick around to learn how you can give your scooter the power boost it deserves. You can't remove speed limiter on Gotrax, but don't let that discourage you. There are other methods that have been tested by the community to give you that extra kick. One of the simplest adjustments you can make is swapping out the air tires for solid tires. Not only does this reduce rolling resistance, but it also slightly increases your speed, pushing you closer to that 18 miles per hour mark. The second proven method that works is adding a second battery. This effectively splits the current draw, which not only reduces strain on the original battery, but can also boost your speed. To safely handle this modification, you'll need to tweak the battery management system, ensuring it bypasses the current limits. This can allow your scooter to reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour or more, depending on the setup. Keep in mind, these modifications require a bit of technical knowledge, so only proceed if you're comfortable with making electrical changes. Safety first. Always wear a helmet and protective gear. Higher speeds mean more wear and tear, so check your scooter regularly and be mindful of these changes. And there you have it, the top 2 secrets to unlocking more speed from your Gotrax GXL V2. With these tips, you can now enjoy a faster and more thrilling ride. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more scooter hacks.